Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to crochet a simple but very beautiful pattern that's perfect even for beginners. This pattern looks delicate and elegant, but it's actually very simple to make. You can use it for tops, shawls, bags, or even home decor. For this project, I'm using 100% cotton yarn and a 1.25mm hook. The pattern repeat is very easy to remember. It's a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3 stitches. And the best part is the pattern consists of only 2 rows, so you'll master it quickly and be able to crochet almost automatically. Just a couple of rows and you have a beautiful pattern. Grab your yarn and hook and let's crochet together. For the sample, I'll cast on a small number of chain stitches to show you how the pattern is worked.